Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a Dodge Grand Caravan step by step. Park the donor vehicle close, turn both ignitions off, and locate both batteries or the designated jump point. Inspect cable clamps for corrosion and wear, and put on gloves. Make sure headlights and accessories are off to avoid power draw. Be calm and follow each cable connection in the right order to prevent sparks or damage. After prepping, start with the red positive clamp on the dead battery, then the donor battery positive. Next, attach the black negative clamp to the donor battery negative, then secure the remaining black clamp to a solid metal ground on the Caravan away from fuel and battery. This order reduces spark risk. Confirm clamps are snug and not touching moving parts. Once connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run a few minutes before attempting to start the Caravan. With cables secure and donor engine running, try starting the Caravan gently. If it cranks but does not start, wait a minute with the donor engine running and try again. Avoid prolonged cranking. When the Caravan starts, remove clamps in reverse order: black ground, donor negative, donor positive, then Caravan positive. Keep the Caravan running for at least 15 minutes or drive to recharge the battery. If problems persist, seek professional help for battery or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.